For more information, subscribe our channel and click the bell icon.
Hello guys, I just get this new phone MI, just MI5A, and I'm a little bit excited for that. I'm trying to open, and what I got, of course it's phone, and I just get it. Yes, I try to open it, trying, still trying, and yes, I got it. It's too cool in look. Of course, it's too cool. Yes, this is my new mobile phone MIF5A in color gray. Yes, it's too good. Let's see what's another accessory that I got. Of course, it's a manual, I think. I got it. It's system and the services, and a little bit in Chinese and English. Let's see what's another. And I got a cable. Yes, of course, I have to charge my phone. Yeah, this is the pin from that I can open my phone's battery, and this is the adapter. So I got this charger and nothing in that much more. I don't get any handset. Yeah, I'm trying to start my mobile and I got it. Yes, it started. I choose the language. It's officially English United States and I choose it. Next. What next? I got. Yes. I have to choose my region. Of course, it's India. Where is it? Yes. India. Yeah, here it is. I got it. India. I have to choose the keyboard. Right now, I just choose a simple and no, right now I don't want any connection, any networks. Thank you. Oh, this is terms and condition is too boring. I just want to skip it. Oh, after some time I add SIM card. I have no Google account right now, no passwords, no one setting. I don't want it. I have to allow it. Yes, of course. I got a theme for my phone and my setup gonna complete after some seconds and it is. Oh wow, now it's my phone is started. It's working. I want to just check it out. It's work perfect or not. No, it's look too bright. No, it's too off. I have to bright it. Oops, there's too many features. There's no time setting, but look at the camera. It's 13 megapixel. Oh wow. Let's take a picture and let's see what's the resolution of this camera. I have to allow the gallery, of course. And I zoom it, and yes, that's good quality. Of course, 30 megapixel is a good thing. My setting, there's a lots of permissions, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, lots of things. And gallery is just one pic. No account, so Play Store didn't work right now. Oh, this is inbuilt feature. I got a Word, Excel, PowerPoint, lots of course, remote. And this is my phone. Redmi 5 32 GB with 5-inch screen, a color in gray, 3000 mAh battery with 13 MP